All right, let's do it. Let's get into how to use Jaaxy to do proper keyword research. All right, the first thing we need to do is we need to decide on what keyword we want to go after. So I'm going to type in right here where it says phrase, I'm going to type in how to do keyword research for a blog. So I want to know if that's a good keyword to go after and if people are typing that into Google. So once I type it in where it says phrase, I'm going to click find keywords. So what Jaaxy's going to do, it's going to give me some results. All right, here we go. This first column here is our keyword column, okay? That's the actual keyword that we typed in right here. And it also gives you other suggested keywords. All right, so that's the keyword column. The next column is your average column. That's an average amount of searches that keyword gets. This column here is your traffic column. That lets you know an estimated amount of visitors you will get to your website if you rank on page 1 of Google for this particular keyword. Next column, QSR. So in order to get the QSR, we need to click right here. We need to click on where it says get QSR. Okay? So now that gives us more results. So that's going to take us to this column here, which is our QSR. And that's the number of websites that are trying to rank for that particular keyword. Okay, KQI. This is more like a robot or a stoplight. Red means stop, yellow means slow down, green means go for it. So what Jaaxy is telling us right here is that you can see it's green. That means it's a good keyword to try to go for because it's great, okay? Now, the next column, SEO, is your SEO score. I usually try to go from anything from 85 up to 100. 100, the closer to 100 is your better chance of ranking for that keyword. So we can see here that this keyword is a 92. All right, and once again, this is our keyword right here, how to do keyword research for a blog. So let's take a look at it. This keyword gets 80 searches a month. If you rank page 1 of Google, you approximately get 14 clicks to your website. There's 100 websites that are trying to rank for this particular keyword. The KQI is great. That means go for it. And the score is a 92. Now, this last column here tells you if there's any domain names available for that keyword. Okay. All right. So let's take a look here. What I usually try to do. Okay. My average, you want that to be as high as possible. Okay. Now, if you're barely starting out, like say you barely started, your website is fresh, I would recommend you to go with under 25 or 25 and under, and then your QSR should be 10 and under. So let me write that down. If you're barely starting out, once again, if your website is 1 month and younger, okay? So let me go ahead and see if I could put this on a notepad for you. 1 second. All right, let me type it out for you. So we're going to say new website, okay? Now, if your website is 1 month and under, 1 month and under, here's what I would recommend you to go for. Your average searches should be under 25, and your QSR should be under 25, or under 10, I'm sorry. 1 month and under. If your website is 2 months older and under, 2 months older and under, you want your average to be still at 25, and you could bump up your QSR to 25. If your website is 3 months older and under, or 3 months old, let's just say it like that. Okay, you can go for average, bump it up a little bit. Let's go to 50 and keep your QSR at 25. 4 months old, you can go to your average of 75 and your QSR bump up to 50. Okay, 50. And then if your website is 5 months old, you can go bump up your average to 100. Let's go back down here. You can bump up your average to 100 and QSR to 75. Okay, let's do one more. If your website is 6 months and older, 6 months and older, you can go with your average of at least 100 or 100 and over, and QSR up to 100. All right, so let's go back to the Jaaxy tool. All right, so here's what we got. We got 80, 14, and 100. So this would be good if we go for more. So look, you got 80, right? So I would say your website would need to be about 5 months old to go for that particular keyword. Okay, that would be my suggestion. Okay, now if it's a new website under a month, look at this. How to do keyword research for an article. It's 24, which fits our criteria, but let's see the KQI. 0. That's a perfect keyword to go for a new website. Once again, how to do keyword research for an article. There's 24 searches a month. You'll get 5 clicks to your website, and there's no websites trying to rank for this keyword. That's optimized for this keyword. So that's a brilliant keyword for a brand new website. See, what happens sometimes is when we start new websites, we want to go for keywords that are ranking high and have a lot of traffic. You got to build credibility with your website, because if you try to go for these ones that, get like 80 and 435, there's too many other websites out there that's been way longer out there than you. So Google's going to give them priority. So you got to build your credibility. And you start small. So this is a brilliant keyword. Okay. And I would go for that one if my blog, my website was 1 month and under. All right, now let's look at some other things that you can do. So let's just go ahead and take this keyword here. Let's just say we got a new website. It's 1 month and under, and we want to optimize our blog for how to do keyword research for an article. Okay. Now, if you look here, we're going to get the QSR 0 and 94. Now, here's another cool thing. Say you want to write more articles, right? You want to get more keywords. Jaaxy offers the alphabet soup. Okay, so I already explained each of these columns to you. Now let's take a look at the alphabet soup, and then we'll get ready to move on to the next thing. So now I could go to the alphabet soup, and I could go back here. Watch this. I'm going to copy this keyword. Okay, I'm going to copy it, Control-C on PC. I'm not for sure what it is on a Mac. Then I'm going to go back to alphabet soup. I'm going to type that keyword in here and say, hey, find some keywords for me. Now, what Jaaxy's going to do, it's going to go through the whole alphabet and give me different keywords related to the one I typed in. Buy keyword research for my blog article. So you can see it's all B's. Pay for keyword research for my blog articles. How to get awesome rankings by doing proper keyword research. You see, so look at all these keywords that you can possibly write about. Now you want to do some research. So what I would do is I would right click on here, open it in a new tab, and let's see the search engine. Okay, we see here it's under 10. Traffic under 10. KQI, let's go ahead and take a look. There's 100 websites trying to rank for that, so I wouldn't really mess with that keyword. How to do proper keyword research. Okay, here we go. Look at that. 24 searches, 5 clicks to your website. Let's check out the KQI. Okay, 76. QSR 76. So let's go back to 2476. Okay, so 2476 would be, you want to be about 6 months old, because average 100 and QSR 100. Okay, because that 76 outdoes all these. The QSR is 10, QSR is 25, 25 again, 50 again, and it barely missed 5 months by 1. So I would go with the 6-month website to rank for that keyword. All right, and that's how you can do keyword research. And let's go ahead and close this. Let's go back to Alphabet Soup, and you can get a ton of keywords. Then it gives you the letter C, how to develop article content using keywords. You can write a blog about that. Let's see what that gets in Google. Okay, minus 10. Let's get the QSR. Okay, there we go. I probably wouldn't mess with that because it's it's not something I would probably go for. I mean, you could try it. Just the fact that it's low right here. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's a -10. It's just saying that Jaaxy doesn't have enough information to give you the actual numbers, so it just gives you that -10 on both sides. Okay? All right. So once again, our alphabet soup, and you can just kind of scroll down how to do keyword research for AdWords, how to do in-depth keyword research, how to do in-depth keyword research. Let's check that one out. Let's just do one more, then we'll move on. How to do in-depth keyword research. Okay, 32 searches a month. You'll get six clicks to your website if you rank on page 1 of Google. Let's check out the QSR. Oh man, brilliant keyword, brilliant. Now remember, this might not be for the first month because look, it's 32. Our first month, we want 25. Second month, 25. But if your website is 3 months old and over, or younger, or at least 3 months, I guess I should say. If your website is about the 3-month age, you can go for that keyword because we got 50 AVG, 25 QSR. So let's go take a look at the keyword. We got under 50, and the QSR is 26. So let's go take a look at the 3 months. Oh, we missed it by 1. So I would go here. If your website is 4 months and older, or at least about 4 months, then you could go for that keyword because it's 75.50. Okay, so let's go to that keyword. As long as it's under 75 and under 50, we got under 75, under 50. So this will be a brilliant keyword. Now let's move to the next thing that Jaaxy offers. You can do save the list. Now say I don't want to write a blog on this keyword yet because my blog is only 1 month old, but this is a 4-month keyword. I can create a save the list if I tick this keyword and say save to list. And I can say I want a new list. And I can name it 4-month list. Okay? 4-month list. And you can put your domain. I usually put the domain. So I would just say for the domain of PastorDre.com. So this is my 4-month list for PastorDre.com. I click save. So now when I view keywords and I do my 4-month list for PastorDre.com, it'll list that keyword for me right here. 4-month list keyword. So I could come back to that when my website is 4 months old. So that's another powerful thing about Jaaxy is it has saved the list. So not only can you do your keyword research, your regular keyword, you could do alphabet soup, and you could do your saved list. Okay, and I have a few saved lists here for different keywords. All right, let's get back to the keywords, and then we'll get ready to almost wrap it up. One more thing I want to show you. As you can see here, it says how to do in-depth keyword research. Don't forget to look at the related keywords because you could get a ton of more keywords just by looking at the related ones. You could go here, how to do affiliate marketing keyword research, how to carry out effective keyword research. So let's just click one of these. I like this. I like both of these actually. So let me right click on that. Okay, sorry about that. That didn't work. Let me just go ahead and click it. How to do affiliate marketing keyword research. Let's see how that one looks. Okay, let's go ahead and get the QSR. Okay, I would probably maybe give this keyword a shot. Even though it has -10, I'd probably give it a shot. Okay, but it's up to you. You got how to do affiliate marketing for free. And now here's the cool thing about Jaaxy is you could filter your average from high to low or low to high. So right now we're on low to high. If I click it again, it'll go high to low. Okay, so let's go ahead and click it. How to do affiliate marketing on a blog. How to do affiliate marketing program. So here's a ton of keywords. And then you could go back over here to relate it and you can find more keywords. How to do affiliate marketing research. Let's check that one out. Let's see what kind of searches that gets. Okay, and if you have any questions, post them in the comments section or you can send me an email, PastorDre@PastorDre.com. So let's go ahead and make this from least to highest. How to do affiliate marketing effectively. I like that. Let's click get QSR. Ooh, great keyword. Okay, it's 25 and under, and it's under 50. So let's go ahead and see our thing here. 25 and under 50. you can go for the 4-month. If you're 4 months, there it is right there. Wow, what a good keyword. So if your website's been around for 4 months, this will be a good keyword to target. You barely missed it. Let me see something quick. We barely missed it for the 3 months. Let me see, because it's 30 instead of 25. But that's all right. You could do for your 4-month, and you could have a nice chance to rank for this keyword. All right, family. I think that's going to be it for now. If you have any questions, like I said, post them in the comments section below. And then the next step is, once you find a good keyword, you want to optimize your blog for that specific keyword. Okay, if you're not for sure how to optimize your blog, I could probably do a tutorial of that in the future on the 12 steps that I use to optimize my blog. All right, family, thank you for tuning in. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. God bless you.